Tired of juggling endless spreadsheets, chasing invoices, and losing track of time as a freelancer? Hello Bonsai is here to transform your chaos into calm. So let's dive into how this all-in-one platform can streamline your freelance life in under 2 minutes. First, let's tackle client onboarding. Click on the Client tab to add a new client. Enter their details: name, email, company. Bonsai then helps you gather all the necessary information with customizable questionnaire, making client onboarding a breeze. Say goodbye to endless email threads. Next up, contracts. Bonsai offers a library of legally vetted contract templates. Select the one that suits your project, then customize it with your specific project details, payment terms, and deadlines. You can easily send the contract to your client for digital signature directly through the platform. Now, let's talk invoices. Creating professional invoices is simple. Just select the client, add your line items with descriptions and prices, set the payment due date, and send it off. Bonsai also automates payment reminders, so you get paid faster. Finally, time tracking. Start the timer with a single click. Whenever you work on a project, log your hours accurately and easily associate them with specific clients and tasks. These time entries seamlessly integrate into your invoices, ensuring you're always compensated fairly for your time. And that's it. Hello Bonsai simplifies client onboarding, creates professional contracts, automates invoicing, and accurately tracks your time. It's the all-in-one solution you need to focus on what you do best, delivering amazing work. Explore all the features of Hello Bonsai and unleash the full potential of your freelance business. Happy freelancing!